By the way, I couldn't finish the video because people, when you write them that this is educational tutorial group, I couldn't finish it. So people still think that we want to market and send it somewhere. We don't. Once again, it's just for educational purposes. For educational um, purpose, and we do have a team who do the rest. Thanks. I think people don't really kind of. I think it's just crazy, honestly. Like, people are writing nonstop. So we do have buys and sells, right? But nothing is happening so far. And I believe it's only us who owns it at this point. We're gonna view our wallet. It doesn't give us as the project kind of thing profile. Not that kind of project. We're not adding admins. We're not hiring or paying for for not needed services. This is for educational purpose. So hopefully people will understand and slowly leave it. So I wrote it. Hopefully I can be done by it. But look, even like if these people like they jumped in writing, scamming, spamming, if you're gonna send me now 2 million coins, I will do this and this. I'm sorry, we're not sending to anyone nothing. Because once again, it's education. Even when you say it, people don't understand. First of all, I am a woman, not a man. Yeah. In the middle of tutorial. Let's do this. So let me check if I can somehow connect it, like to do mirroring and just connect for my iPad. So maybe you will be able to see it. Because let's continue. Let's still continue this. I don't want to end it. So far, nothing is happening. So far, I'm getting um, no mirroring, for example. I don't know why it's happening like this, but people should stop scamming and spamming. Okay, we are here. Okay, so this, what I'm saying, is like non-stop. It's like non-stop. So everyone is messaging. It's like as you see, so many people who just write everything. And once again, it's just class. This is what I'm trying to explain people. And this is what I wrote. So they can view and say hi. So once again, like you write, right? And people don't stop. We're not adding admins. And I wrote actually that in the group as well. And yeah. So people are just writing nonstop. So you can see as how many it is. And we have other one, but it's like written like if you can. So first of all, this person says we'll post one in my channel that project will hit. Uh, and like thanks, this is education. And like, it will not cost you much, bro. I'm sorry, I'm not hiring once again. So people are trying to push. So some people did understand that this is just, you know, Nigeria, obviously. People are just trying to get money away from you and all of this. Egypt, not interesting. So we're just gonna erase it because once again, honestly, this is just educational product. It's not something, I don't know. We're not hiring anyone. And yeah. I don't know why people think that this is some kind of thing when it's not. It's just, you know, it's just a coin, it's nothing, you know, different, I guess. Stop mirroring. And yeah. So I think it's a little bit longer video because when you get published and you sending all this information to someone, people are just really trying to, like make money out of you or scam you in something. And this is what is important. Don't send anyone money. You can create on your own, like, you can advertise as well. Like here, pretty much Pump Fund actually offers you how to advertise. So for example, you have, I believe it's like how it works. So it kind of gives you explanation that Pump allows anyone to create coins. All coins created Pump are fair launch, meaning that everyone is equal access to buy and sell them. As well, like pick a coin that you like, buy the coin, bonding curve, sell at any time. So I'm ready to pump. And then as well, you have like how it works. So it gives you like explanation. Oh, it's the same actually. So it has fees, how much you have to pay. So create a coin, it's free. You don't have to pay, but you have to pay on the purchase as well as gas and all of this. So, and then you can create as many coins as you want. So you can create different products, different projects on it as well. Yeah, and as well like the profile of yours, how it looks like. So it shows that it's created one coin, followers. I'm not sure who it is. Okay, and yeah, it just shows the value what you have. Yeah, and hmm, so yeah, I mean it's really simple. Like you actually can pay from them and just to make like advertisement. So let's check. I didn't see it to be honest. I think it was like somewhere here, but I cannot find it. So it shows like newly created coins. So yeah, I think people stop texting. What is great. No more craziness. So let's check if we find ourselves here. So we are newly created coin. Oh my God, people really should. So yeah, and I'm trying like to actually like find it, like how you can advertise, but I cannot find it at this moment. It's difficult to find, I guess. So yeah, I don't know why. I mean, even another funny thing, even like when you write, this is this kind of project and all, people are still messaging, hoping for something. You know, we're not really kinda, interesting in hiring someone or whatsoever. But yeah, I mean, it's many different. I do understand like it's different projects and all of this, but still, maybe it's advanced. I don't know. It's difficult to find because I want to show you more further up. How can you just do it, you know? I think we should tag in that this is, we're gonna pin it. And we're gonna make the pin happening, so people will understand it. But I'm trying to actually kinda find it. So okay, this is the Solana one, but it's not the same. I think it's this one. I think it's ours, but I'm not sure now. Wow, we've been banned. Let's see what's happening. Doesn't show anything, But yeah, this is the small video. I guess we're gonna stop it here and see what's happening. And yeah, I'll see you everyone soon. Bye. Because it's just mumbling from now on,